Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to download a screenshot from Lightshot uploaded image. Take a screenshot using Lightshot. After installing Lightshot, click on wherever menu, then click on Lightshot icon, then select area and take a screenshot. You can drag on here up or down, and you can indicate any particular portion from this beautiful toolbar, and after that upload to print.hcr.com. click upload button. Now you can see a link is here. Now you can copy it. After copying this URL, and now we'll going to Google Chrome and go to paste it. Screenshot is loading. Now you can see screenshot is here. Now right click on this tab, click on inspect, select it from here, HTTPS, and content source, click on here. After that new URL is opened, and right click on this image and save as and save. Thank you.